Hilti is very well known for its powder-actuated fastening expertise. In fact, Hilti pioneered the safe, low-velocity powder-actuated systems, and they were the first to bring this innovation to the construction market. They were also the first to market with semi-automatic and fully automatic powder-actuated systems. Drywall track attachment, attaching roof deck to steel, or a 2x4 to concrete. No matter what your trade or application, Hilti has the right powder-actuated system for you to get the job done.
When it comes to making fastenings to concrete or steel, there are several Hilti gas and powder-actuated tool options available to satisfy all your fastening needs in a variety of applications.
Selecting the right tool depends on your application needs.
Powder-actuated tools can be single load, semi-automatic, or even fully automatic. The difference between these tool models is basically how often you have to load a new fastener and cartridge. With a single load tool model, you must load a new fastener and cartridge after every fastening made. You also have to cycle the tool manually to reset the drive piston and eject a spent cartridge.
With the semi-automatic tools, you load a strip of 10 cartridges. Now you still have to manually cycle the tool to reset the piston after each fastening, but you only load a new fastener each time since the cartridge strip advances when you cycle the tool. This is to create easier handling and increased productivity over the single load tool.
Fully automatic tools also use strips of 10 cartridges, but these tools don't require manual cycling to advance the cartridge and reset the drive piston. And depending on the model, you can either load a fastener for each fastening, or you can get a tool with a 10mm magazine that uses collated fastener strips. Now, with this particular design, you load a new cartridge and fastener strip every 10 fastenings, providing maximum productivity.
The single load tool is the most economic tool for low volume fastening, where high productivity is not a major factor. The semi-automatic tools like the DX36 or the DX35 models are the medium priced tools that offer convenience and improve speed and productivity. The fully automatics, on the other hand, are for the contractors doing the large, high-volume serial applications and looking for the most productivity possible out of their powder-actuated tools.
If your main application is to fasten interior drywall track to concrete or steel, the Hilti DX35 or DX351 powder tools are both good choices. Now, these tools have a nail length range to fit the drywall track application without a lot of bells and whistles. The DX35 is a semi-automatic single nail tool offering good productivity at a relatively low cost. The DX351 is a fully automatic tool that also has an optional nail magazine. And this is a great benefit for the repetitive fastening involved with drywall track installation.
If the work you perform involves a variety of applications, such as attaching drywall track or 2x4s to concrete or steel, you should consider the Hilti DX36 or the DX460 powder-actuated tools. Both of these tools have the fastener length range that allows you the versatility to perform these applications as well as many others. The DX36 is a semi-automatic tool and the DX460 is a fully automatic tool. Both operate similar to the DX35 and the DX351 mentioned earlier.
Some contractors prefer using gas-actuated tools. Now, if that's true in your case, then the GX120 gas-actuated tool is the one for you. And typically, the powder-actuated systems have more driving power and application versatility compared to gas. However, gas tools allow loading up to 40 fasteners at a time and not replacing the gas canister but for every 750 fastenings. The GX120 is very well suited for thin material attachment up to a 1/2 inch thick.